Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of an early retirement? It's time to wake up. In a world where most people are trapped in the 9-to-5 rat race, you have the power to break free. We are exploring the top investments you absolutely must make in your 20s to secure a future of financial freedom and luxury. Whether you're just starting your career or ready to make bold moves, these strategies will shock you with their potential. Stay tuned as we explore these powerful tips, especially number 3. Spreading your money can help protect your wealth. Let's start with number 1. Invest in your education and skills. The most important investment you can make in your 20s is in yourself. Building valuable skills and expanding your knowledge lays the groundwork for long-term financial success. Whether through formal education, online courses, or professional certifications, gaining expertise in high-demand fields like technology, marketing, finance, project management, or entrepreneurship is crucial. For example, learning coding can lead to well-paying tech jobs, while certifications in data analysis or digital marketing offer skills that companies need. Investing in education not only boosts your income, but also helps you stay competitive in a fast-changing job market. Gaining new skills keeps you adaptable as industries evolve, giving you more control over your career path. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the compounding effect of your efforts, like financial investments. The skills you build in your 20s will continue to pay off as you advance in your career. By consistently investing in yourself, you increase your professional value, create more opportunities, and set the stage for greater wealth over time. A well-known person who exemplifies the strategy of investing in education and skills is Elon Musk. Musk has consistently emphasized the importance of continuous learning throughout his career. Despite having degrees in economics and physics, he self-taught many of the skills that have driven his success in fields like aerospace, energy, and artificial intelligence. Number 2 is to start with a retirement account. Open a retirement account to secure your financial future. In the United States, the most common options are a 401k and a Roth IRA. These accounts come with significant tax advantages that help your money grow faster than a regular savings account. A 401k allows you to contribute pre-tax income, lowering your taxable income today, while a Roth IRA lets you withdraw money tax-free in retirement. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage. This is essentially free money. Your employer contributes to your retirement, and not claiming it is like leaving extra cash behind. Aim to contribute at least enough to get the full match. Starting early is crucial because time amplifies the benefits of compound interest. The earlier you begin, the more your money can multiply over time. For example, investing $5,000 at age 25 could grow to over $60,000 by age 65, assuming a 7% annual return, even without additional contributions. Warren Buffett is a well-known advocate of long-term investing and using tax-advantaged accounts. He emphasizes starting early and taking advantage of employer matching programs as simple yet powerful strategies for building wealth. Number 3, diversify your investments. Diversifying your investments is important for protecting your money. Putting all your funds in one place raises the risk of losing money if that investment does poorly. A balanced portfolio helps lower these risks and lets you take advantage of different growth opportunities by spreading your money across stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. This way, a downturn in one area won't hurt your overall returns too much. In your 20s, you can take on more risk for potentially higher rewards. Stocks and real estate usually offer better long-term gains than bonds or savings accounts, even though they can be more unstable in the short run. Young investors should find a mix that fits their financial goals, comfort with risk, and timeline. Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, is a big supporter of diversification. His all-weather portfolio strategy focuses on spreading investments across different asset types to handle various economic situations. He believes that diversification helps investors manage market ups and downs and achieve steady returns over time, highlighting the need to avoid relying on just one kind of investment for financial growth. Up next, we have number 4, invest in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a highly profitable way to build wealth with careful planning and research. While buying a primary home may feel overwhelming in your 20s, saving for a down payment on a rental property can be a smart move. Rental properties provide steady cash flow and allow you to use financing, enabling passive income that enhances financial stability and accelerates your retirement goals compared to traditional investments like stocks. Additionally, real estate often appreciates over time, creating significant equity and further increasing your wealth. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, illustrates this by building a multi-million-dollar portfolio through smart real estate investments, showing how even those with limited resources can grow their wealth. His success emphasizes learning, networking, and planning for young investors entering the market. Moreover, real estate investments offer tax benefits, such as deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes, which can boost financial gains. As you consider your investment options, remember that the real estate market provides not only financial rewards, but also opportunities for personal growth and learning. With the right strategy, real estate can secure your financial future. Last but not the least, number 5, invest in low-cost index funds. Low-cost index funds are a smart choice for beginner investors looking for an easy way to enter the stock market. These funds provide broad market exposure, allowing you to spread your money across many companies without needing to pick individual stocks. For example, investing in an index fund that tracks the S&P 500 gives you a share in hundreds of successful companies across various industries. This diversification helps reduce risks, and index funds typically have lower fees than actively managed funds, meaning you keep more of your returns. Another major benefit of low-cost index funds is their historical performance. Studies show that over time, these funds often outperform most actively managed funds because they avoid the challenges of stock picking and market timing. Instead of trying to guess which stocks will do well, investors can rely on the steady growth of the market as a whole. This simple approach is not only less time-consuming, but also more accessible for those who may not have extensive financial knowledge. Tony Robbins, a well-known financial expert, supports index fund investing as part of a balanced investment strategy. He highlights their potential for long-term growth with lower risks, encouraging people to invest in index funds to achieve financial success without the stress of constant monitoring. Robbins often shares stories of everyday investors who have built wealth using this straightforward method, motivating others to take charge of their financial futures through smart, simple investment choices. That's a wrap on the best investments you can make in your 20s for an early retirement. Every step counts toward your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more tips on building wealth. Check out our next video, How to Retire Early with Just $1,000 in Savings, Realistic Plan, to learn how to grow your savings. See you there.